All right, guys. So this is our project for this week. Unfortunately, this is our only project for this week. Got a lot to do in town, so not getting a whole lot of video for you. But got the head off. Tomorrow, I'm going to put head gasket, but hopefully get this thing back together and running tomorrow. Might be a long day. So I'm not a mechanic. Colton's not a mechanic, but you do what you got to do. So why don't we go over here and we'll take a look at what caused the issue.
Recording.
Well, there's your problem, lady. I don't think there's supposed to be a missing section between cylinder 1 and cylinder 2.
Due to where it broke, it's far enough from the coolant lines to where there's not going to be any coolant in your oil. There was no coolant in our oil. So it was really hard to diagnose. We spent what, a whole day?
About 4 hours testing all the things that it could be till we finally got around to doing a compression check, and 150, 130, 7. Kind of a telltale that got a blown head gasket. But yeah, like Colton said, there wasn't any coolant in the oil, so it wasn't a telltale for that. So that's what you got to do. You can either open up the parts cannon and start throwing parts at something, or you can spend your time testing. I'd rather spend my time testing.
Although the parts cannon is kind of fun sometimes.
But if you really want to see somebody who's really good at this stuff, go check out South Main Auto Channel, Eric O. Ba-bum! And those of you who watch him will get that. Otherwise, yeah, he's really good at the diagnostics. Of course, he's an experienced mechanic with many years. So over here.
Okay.
My cameraman's snoozing.
Shut up. It's like 1 in the morning. Okay.
So there's the head. All the valves look really good. There's no burning, nothing. Everything looks really good in the heads. So just clean this up, slap the new head gasket in, bolt everything back together, which might be interesting because two of us taking it apart, you don't always know where something goes.
And one of us really had no idea what he was doing.
Yep, that's me.
Yeah.
Not
yeah,
a clue.
Yeah, take your... Yeah, bullshit.
Beep!
Yeah.